Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download high resolution digital elevation models from USGS. In previous tutorial, I show you how to download digital elevation models and different data from DEMA by country. And the advantage of that website is providing digital elevation models and other source for a country level. But in USGS, you have an option to extract for your specific location. Let's start. Open your browser, type USGS, select USGS Earth Explorer. This is the main page of USGS. First, you need to sign up. If you don't have account, you can select here login. As I already have account, is showing my account here. But if you don't have account, there is an option create new account. Click here, and you need to provide all your information, username, your password, and confirm new password. Then you will click continue. It will take you to another page. As I already have account, I will just sign in. This is the main page of USGS, and you have many options here to select your specific location. Either you add your specific location manually, or you can select shapefile. If you have shapefile, you select here and add your shapefile. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to do it manually, but I can do another video show you how to upload shapefile. Then if you know your coordination, you can add your coordination here, lat along, and press add your coordination. I will show you how to do it manually. Just zoom in or zoom out to your specific location. For example, here, select any place. You just right click here. For example, this place. It will show you the selected location at the left side. Then go and select data set. In this page, select digital elevation. Here, select SRTM and select SRTM 1 arc, which is 30-meter resolution, and press result. It will show you the result. Yes, these are the details of the digital elevation model. Click here to visualize it in the map. Yes. And select download. You have 3 options here. In my case, I will use GeoTIFF. It will start download. Yes, it's downloading. So this is the way how to download high resolution digital elevation model. If you find this video is useful, like and share. If you have any question, leave it in a comment. If you have any suggestion, I'll be happy to have to improve my content. Thank you and see you next tutorial.